Alright guys, I'm trying to make tutorial videos for anything that I shoot you all, so if y'all have questions, you can go back and watch before, so I don't get like 30 emails from all of you all with the same questions. So I'm hoping this helps a few of you all that have had a few questions so far. But again, I can go back and look at the answers that you have submitted, and I'll see what's going on also. Now remember, you've got to show your work on here and upload your work to get full credit. Okay, so let's see what we have. In triangle QPQ, OPQ, the measure of angle Q is 90 degrees, the measure of angle P is 28 degrees, and OP, line segment, is 92 feet. Find the length of PQ to the nearest tenth of a foot. Okay, so let's look here. This is the angle we're looking at, and we have the hypotenuse side, and then we have, this would be the adjacent side. Okay, so if you write down your TOA, so you just have a quick reference. I have adjacent and hypotenuse. Adjacent and hypotenuse, so I know I'm going to be using cosine. Okay, equals adjacent, which is what I don't know, over hypotenuse, which is 92. Alright, let me get my calculator pulled up. I forgot that I closed it earlier. Sorry guys. Okay, so to solve this, we're going to multiply both sides by 92. And now remember, this says nearest tenth of a foot. That's one decimal out. So I'm going to do 92 times cosine of 28. Yes, of 28. So I'm going to get 81.2. Which seems like it makes sense. And it's 81.2 feet. So I'm wondering if you're leaving this off and that's what's making it incorrect. So I'll look at that for some of y'all that have emailed me. But that makes sense because that's our longest side and our hypotenuse is 92. So our hypotenuse is still the longest. Alright, let's look at the second one that I've selected here. In triangle KLM, the measure of angle M is 90 degrees, the measure of angle K is 10 degrees, and the line segment LM is 86 feet. Find the length of KL to the nearest tenth of a foot. Okay, so let's look and see what's given to us. So I have this angle, and I have its opposite side. So opposite and hypotenuse. So go back to the top here, opposite and hypotenuse. So this time we're going to use sine. So I have sine of 10 degrees equals my opposite side over my hypotenuse. Alright, so let's switch this around a little bit. 86 divided by sine of 10 degrees. Let's type that into the calculator. Divided by sine of 10. Enter. So this one, I get my answer to be 495.3 feet. So, and that seems like a really big number, so I'm going to look at something real quick. If I know that's 10, then I know that's 80. So let's look. This would be adjacent. This is cosine of 80 equals 86 over x. So that would be 86 divided by cosine 80. Okay, that's correct though. Alright, so that's how you would work those out. Again, if you have questions and you keep missing them, take a picture of your work and send it to me, and I will see where you're making the mistakes at, and hopefully I can give you some feedback to help you correct. Or we can always have a live session if you're really unsure and want to do more face-to-face. Don't hesitate to ask me to do a quick live session and log on to Google Hangouts, and we can take care of it that way as well. Alright, good luck with everything.